Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, tomorrow I'm going to be doing my video on Yeezy seller hold, so stay tuned. I'll be discussing some of the recent drops and restocks we've been seeing. I pushed that back to tomorrow, though, because today I wanted to unbox this pair of SB Dunk Highs, the Dior Greenwood SB Dunk High. Again, such a clean pair, really nice details up close, also known as the Navajo Arts High. And we're going to be getting to showing you, some of the details of the sneakers, some of the touches to heritage, which you'll definitely see on the shoe, and that'll be it. So if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let's try to 200 likes on this video. Normal goal we go for, and again, just lets me know that y'all want more unboxings, and I'll definitely deliver on that. We'll discuss the resell on these as well. And don't forget, you guys can check out my Instagrams down below. I'm always shouting this out, but I'm doing business here. If you want to buy some pairs off me, if you want to sell to me, feel free. I'm always doing business there, and I'll be trading again soon. I'm finishing a couple trade deals right now with you guys. Just got those pairs in. Once I get those, all shipped out, finished, and sorted, then I'll start some more. So yeah, just gonna get that out the way first. But yeah, I hope you all will enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out my group project I got on the way. Don't forget, this is on the way in like a week or two. So if you like undermarket sneakers, just make sure you guys are staying tuned here. This is coming very, very soon. So don't miss out on that. We're gonna be doing a little giveaway to promote it. Just kind of start, for whoever joins, potentially win a free pair. So stay tuned. That's all I need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy it, and why don't we get into reviewing this beautiful SB Dunk High. So I've seen mixed reviews online about these. Some people really don't like them, which I can totally understand that. Again, it's not even built like a normal SB Dunk High, and I'll show you why I'm saying that in a second. Also, it's just kind of a funky sneaker, you know what I mean? A little bit hard to wear. I can understand that. But first things first, right off the bat, one of the main parts of the sneaker that you notice would be kind of this stripe that is going right over the laces. I believe this is a touch, again, to her heritage, because keep in mind, this is Navajo Arts and, Native American. The artist behind the sneaker, she is Native American, so that's hence why we're seeing this. Hopefully I explained that a little bit better, my bad. But that's why we're seeing, this touch to detail, or this, detail right here going across the sneaker on the front, and also on the back by the heel right here. A few other details. You guys can see some really nice embroidery on the shoe. Also, I personally like the color scheme they chose to use. I think it works. It's actually pretty bright, and it's a good colorway for summer overall. And this is also all suede, so I mean, you can't go wrong with a sneaker as nice as this. All suede except for the swoosh, which is a leather material. I'll show you guys that up close as well, but you guys can see some more unique designs going on there. I believe that is supposed to represent either the Big Dipper or Little Dipper. I could be tripping. I just think it looks like that, but if it does, let me know. That this is just a guess. But this right here, I think, is supposed to represent a shooting star right there. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but there we go. And again, that is representing stars as well. Again, this is just a guess. I haven't fully dove in deep into the sneaker, but that's what I can tell from just looking right now, right off the bat. But another thing these come with is, as you guys can see, they already have white laces, but they come with a pair of white laces. I don't understand it. I don't know why this is a trend with some collaborations where they're like, hey, you know what we should do? We should make our extra laces the exact same color. It's like, please. Look, small criticism. There's probably a reason that, the laces are white, but they maybe could have switched it up, made it the blue or something. Maybe kind of this, kind of faded red colorway that we got going on here. That's how I can describe it. If they'd done something like that, I feel like that would have been really good. Or maybe one of the colors in the back here, or on the, flag. I believe you got the stripe that we got here going across the sneaker. They could have used one of those colors, and I feel like that would have worked really good. But aside from that, you guys can see we got the artist's name on the front of the sneaker right here. Very, very cool. I think that's a nice touch when you have the name. Just it gives it more that unique feel because it is a collaboration with them. So, give them that credit right there. And the Nike SB logo. Also, we have her logo, I believe, or signature logo, which is on the inside of the sneaker right here. And yeah, very interesting design overall. I'm a fan. So that's one of the main things I'll say. On the other pair, I believe it's the exact same on the inside. Oh, it is not. As you guys can see, it just actually I did not check that. Just basically the writing and breakdown. I actually want to read this right here. Hold up. Nike sports shoes are okay. So yeah, it's just Nike's typical thing they put on SB Dunk Highs. Nothing out of the ordinary, as you guys can see right there. So that's something a little bit cool. Fan of the logo, you can see right there. Obviously, it's not very visible, but pretty cool. Another small little touch, and of course, the soles on these, another very funky detail. You guys can see. I believe both are the same. Yeah, they are. I was correct on that. Luckily, but you guys can see, very unique. You don't usually see SB soles that have this many colors on them. Usually, it's just one or two colors, but this has I think 5, if I'm counting correctly. Yeah, I think 5 different colors. So a lot of colors we got going on the soles. Again, another really, really nice detail. I think this is super cool. So very, very well done. This collaboration. I think it's just with it being as limited as it was. Keep in mind they only did, I believe, 4,200 pairs of these on sneakers. So I mean that is the reason why these are reselling for what they are and actually flipping. Except for some of the smaller sizes like a 9, 10. These are flipping very well in, like, for example, size 12. That's the size I got right here, your boy. Got lucky, got a decent deal. So there you go. You can see the size tag, everything with these. It's actually a white SB box for this SB Dunk High. So another detail we got with these. But overall, just a very interesting build for this SB Dunk High. I mean, you see how it is. It's a little bit different. And what I mean by a little bit different is how, like, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's just like usually they're not like able to move this much, but they move a lot because, again, it's not that normal, like, SB Dunk High kind of like fat tongue. You see what I mean? It's just a puffy tongue. It's not a fat tongue. See what I'm saying? It's puffy, so obviously these will still be very, very comfortable, but the sneaker kind of will like bend and mold more to your foot, and it'll really show that. That's what I'm trying to say. It's because, like, this whole part of a sneaker like moves. So that might be a part that some people do not like, but overall I don't mind it being a little bit different with the build. I think it's such a unique shoe that these will age well for that fact. And I mean, I think collaborations like this that, you know, have that little bit of touch to culture or show it like this, age well. So I mean, I think past projects have proved that. So this will be one that I think ages well with time. Another reason is just because it's so limited. So I got a big size for that reason. Maybe get a couple 12s, 13s, put them away for a while, forget about them. Normally wouldn't recommend holding SB Dunk Highs, but just because these were so limited and not many people were dropping them, these could do well, but we will see. So that's one of the main things I'll mention about this SB Dunk High. Very, very funky design, and we can get again, just the build is that throws some people off. I know, but don't let it throw you off too much. You know what I mean? It's not a big deal. So aside from that, I'm going to dive into the resale prices now, and then we'll dive into little B-roll shots before we head into the outro. So I just started the screen recording right now, and there we go. So this is up, and you guys can see smaller sizes are not doing as well unless you got a really small size. But again, some of those ones like a 9, 9.5. So like, for example, my size 9, going right around retail price. So I could probably cop those off a Shopify retailer and, pay like retail plus ship, which is what I did. I have 303 boards. I paid like 153 or something because size 9 was sitting. I was like, well, that's my personal, and I like these, so I'll take it. But the big sizes are doing really well because, again, those are much harder to find, like 13, 14. A 13 in these is money, like, you know what I mean? Like, I was trying to find a 13 for a decent deal. If I could still find one today, I would buy it. Just because, again, of how limited these are, and also because how funky they are. I know people, these are the types of shoes that SB collectors like because it's different. It's not like every, kind of basic GR colorway SBVC. So SB collectors appreciate this. I appreciate this for sure. So yeah, I really like this collaboration. Big sizes I know are going to age well because I don't even think they made many 13s. These probably only have, how many are even, let's check the asks for size 13. How many? Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Like, look, are they any? There's none available. You know what I'm saying? Like, 13 is limited as hell. And even if you head to size 12, I mean, there's a lot more for size 12, actually. Let me correct myself. But, yeah, like, I mean, wow. That just shows you for some sizes, there's literally none of these. So, I mean, I'm definitely going to try and find a 13. But overall, really big sizes will be a good hold in these, like 12 plus, or I guess 11 plus, you could say. Just because, again, this was a sneaker that they didn't drop a lot of, but it's just such a cool shoe too. So if you were looking to buy the shoe, I would do it sooner rather than later. That's my personal recommendation. But you got a couple weeks. Like, these aren't going to just shoot up in price out of nowhere. They'll be consistent for sure. Like, I mean, the sales are really, really good on these. Like, check it out. Like, these are doing pretty good. Like, for an SB Dunk High, I'll give it credit. And you can see none of those like really big sizes are the ones selling for the low, other than right here. Whoever got that 11.5 for that, I wish I was you, but look at that 13. Look at that 12. You see what I'm saying? Like, some of those big sizes. Look at that 13. Here, you can't see it because it's in all where was that? I just missed it. But yeah, there was 13 like an all black font. Again, sold for a really high price. So it just shows you those. See, 13, 210. So go for the sizes that you know will be best. And yeah, that's really what I can recommend right there if you were looking to hold this shoe. But I just got a couple to put away. One's my personal, and one is just a big size because I'm like, I got time. So I'll just be patient with these and see where they go. But aside from that, why don't we get into some B-roll shots on these, showing y'all what they look like up close. And then we'll head into the outro. We'll keep it simple like that. Let's continue. But guys, it is pretty much it. So again, let me know your thoughts on this funky pair of SB Dunk highs below. Again, I've not seen something like this really ever. Well, in my time in the sneaker game, I just haven't seen something funky. I mean, I've seen funky shoes, but not with like, again, to the touch of Native American culture like this. So I think it's a really cool and well done collaboration. Shout out to diorr Greenwood. Hopefully I said her name right. If I did not, my apologies. And I think it's a she. Again, my bad. I'm like very certain on that, so my bad. Like, I don't know why I'm saying I don't know that. Like, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, again, feel free to, I'm getting off topic. Feel free to check out my Instagrams, any of that down below if y'all want to. I'm always buying and selling there, and I'll be trading again soon. But yeah, if you want to buy pairs off me, if you want to sell to me, feel free to check me out there. And don't forget, I'll also pop this up, my group project on the way. Don't forget, it's not like a group project. It's just me making it, but basically a group for undermarket sneakers. If you like getting kicks at cheaper prices, that's what basically the members of the group will be getting. We're going to be providing deals on shoes to them for on any pair, whatever they're looking for. Some hype, cool. We'll be dropping hype shit. That's what it is. So excuse me right there. I don't know why I said that, but yeah. Aside from that, just such a cool shoe. You can see even this little detail in the center, which I think is supposed to represent the North Star. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but yeah. Just maybe I'm being generic, but that's my guess again. So I really can appreciate this SB Dunk High. It's very unique, well done, and yeah, just funky. It's I think it'll do well over time. So I'm T. Thank you guys, and subscribe and like for more like this. Trying to 200 likes on this video. Not sure if I'd said this in the outro. If I had, I'm gonna cut this part out. But regardless, I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. Stay tuned for the live. Also, I may go live then, so don't miss out on that. Stay tuned. All right, see you then. Peace.